Hey, it's me. Oh, you're in that meeting again? That's fine. I'll be quick. So, it suddenly dawned on me that tracking numbers just doesn't cut it anymore. I need more than this. You know what I need? I need the delivery driver's personal cell phone number. You know what I mean? Hi guys, so for today's video we're gonna do a Dollar Tree haul. I actually really liked how I filmed yesterday's video. It was just very casual, at least like in my mind. If I tell myself, you know, that I just seem to relax more. So maybe it's not even an announcement for you, it's more of an announcement for me. But I'm gonna try to just go through this casually, no editing. That's just the mood I've been in lately. I have a lot of brand new Easter finds. I feel like my stores are still slowly kind of setting up. So these things are just items that I'm seeing like trickle in. My stores haven't fully stocked for Easter yet, so I'm patiently waiting. But I found some really cute things. I found these little books that are darling. I can't wait to share them with you guys because they're the cutest little books I think I've ever seen come through Dollar Tree. I also found some decor, so I'm gonna kind of like set them up and do like clips for you guys so you can kind of see like my vision for some of these finds without having to do any like upcycle DIYs or anything to them. So let's jump in. All right, the first one is this little decor sign. Heads up, there's going to be a lot of like gnome stuff for spring and Easter this year at Dollar Tree. I took a look at their website, so I'm kind of like getting a feel for what's going to come through. Here's one of the first signs that I picked up. Really cute. I think the color and everything about this is darling. I think it would be a really cute piece just to put in the entryway. You wouldn't have to DIY this in the slightest. It's probably maybe just kind of depending on the size of your door, like your wreath. This might be a little too long for a wreath. So I think this would look really pretty as like a little tabletop piece in an entryway. And that's how I'm gonna style this for you guys. So I think this little sign is adorable. Then I found some more gnome signs, and I'm gonna show you, they're not signs, they're just wall decor. What kind of lost me personally was just the blend of materials. So like this like piece of paper that just, I don't know. I think you could easily maybe add like a cloth, cut out like a white cloth, which Dollar Tree sells those like, you know, those fabric swatches things, and just cut out like a white one and then make your own ears. I think it would look a lot nicer and it will balance with the beard of the gnome rather nicely in my opinion. So I found it in pink, in purple, and in blue. So I found that. Then I found these little like DIY signs, which are really cute. If you're into farmhouse and like you love maybe the more minimal style, honestly, this is just cute the way that it is. I like that each word is like inside of a little outlined egg, but this could also be cute to craft with, to paint if you want to get into painting. That's something I'm gonna get into, and yeah, it's really cute. Also, if you're gonna be hosting some type of egg hunt or something, this would be a great pickup. You just need a little base, which you can also find at Dollar Tree, little carrots right here. And again, I love the raw look of them. I mean, you could easily just leave it like this without any sort of detail, you know? Especially like maybe if your kids are grown and you do have like a, like look at my palette, white, brown, green. This just blends in so nicely. But I do think I might be painting mine. Actually, right now, I don't even know. I really like it like this. But I got this thinking that I could turn this into a garland of some sort. But because of the size, I just did 3. You know, 3. It's kind of hard to show. Maybe I'll have like a clip for this as well. I'm not entirely sure. But anyways, I might end up painting these in the future. So we'll see. So there's that. All right, then I found these little pieces here. I don't know, I don't remember if they did these exact ones last year, But again, with this hologram thing, like I would just pluck it off, which is very easy to do. And I did this, if you didn't watch or you're new, I did this with Valentine's Day. They had these little flamingos, which were really cute, but they had the words just like that. I plucked it off and I thought it looked so much better, and then I put it in the center of my wreath. I'll find that video, I'll link it down below, but I think this looks so much nicer. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the words, like they're super cute, but I think there's a difference here. So I just like that so much better. Like, this is beautiful. This immediately I would put in the center of a wreath, or you could get some kind of little stake from Dollar Tree and then put it, like, you know, use it to kind of put in the center of a floral display, or, you know, your kitchen table if you're doing like a little Easter spread. So that would look really cute. These are a must in my opinion, especially this little blue one with the carrots. So special, love it. Then I found these little bunnies and I thought the same exact thing. I really like the shape of the bunny, and then they come on these little hooks, which very cute, but immediately I thought about taking them off the hook, which I'll have to do kind of off camera, and then maybe peeling off all of these little layers. And just to show you a comparison, here's what it looks like without all of those little extra details. It's just a bunny, you know, with whatever the name's escaping me, whatever that's called. I definitely like it so much better like this. I think it's just really cute and I can do so much with it. So I'm gonna like put these somewhere around the house just to style them so you can kind of see, you know, what they would look like, you know, just as the silhouette rather than seeing like all the details of the bunny's face. So I really like those. I also got something very similar to that. I got these little bunnies right here. You can see they have the exact same like look and everything, which is really cute. So I love that we're getting like matching sets to things. But I would do the same exact thing. What I like about these is just kind of more of the 3D effect rather than the other one was more flat. So essentially, if I didn't want to, if this was like gonna face the wall, I don't really have to waste my time in plucking all these things off. I can just simply turn it around like this, and I could style them on my mantle, console tables, tier trays. This is a perfect size for that. And then just kind of like tuck them into, you know, random little nooks and crannies throughout my decor at home. It just fits my aesthetic so much like this. And if I wanted to, I could do something like a little green bow. And then I also found this little bunny. Again, love the raw, just the natural. I say raw, but just like the natural way that it already is so cute. They give you a little cutout for the bunny tail. And then there's even some details on his little ears, which is very nice. He's gonna look cute in the center of a wreath. But I want to show you guys. Very minor in terms of a DIY. Where is it? Oh, here it is. But Dollar Tree is also selling bunny tails, or cotton tails, which I thought was so cute. They might have done this last year, I don't remember, but I only found these 2 sizes. But I'm gonna do a little clip so you guys can see, just adding like that little additional element, a little hot glue, and that's it. If you didn't want to have to paint it, you don't have to, or of course you could paint it, especially if your Easter has coloring, like pastels or like whatever your colors are, right? There's pastel options, or you could be into the orange, the green, and like a buffalo check color palette. That would be really cute. I think I did something like that last year. But I might go the more natural way this year. And then they also put out the Easter pails. These are my favorite holiday containers, hands down. So cute. Fill these up with little goodies, add these to the Easter basket. I love these because I think they work so great with an older crowd, like my daughter, you know. I do have like my 4-year-old niece and my 5-month-old nephew. But then I have a 21-year-old daughter. So I like to be able to find a variety of things at Dollar Tree that can go towards the older crowd, because listen, no matter how old my daughter is, I'll always get her an Easter basket. So even when she's 30, 40, like, God willing, I'm still here, she's gonna be getting an Easter basket. There's that. And then I found these printed felt bunny paws. This is definitely brand new. If it was out last year, it certainly did not circulate at my Dollar Trees. It might have circulated through yours, but I've never seen these before. You get 10 piece. These are gonna be great for crafting, especially if you have like kids. You get quite a few little bunny paws in here. So there's that. I found those. And then they are putting out Easter eggs at this point. I'm gonna be hauling more for you guys. I just haven't done it quite yet, but these had to go in my cart immediately because they are brand new and they are like little sweets. They look like little cupcakes and donuts. Like, what? That is so cute. Definitely brand new. Like, look at the little sprinkles there and little cupcakes, and they have little sprinkles. This is cute. They're definitely getting very, very unique with their Easter eggs. So I found those. Now these, I do remember, have been out for the last several years. Where's the other one? Oh, here it is. These are just like little tabletop eggs, which are so cute, and they have initials on them. Now, I've never seen, you know, A through Z, so not all initials are available. A, C, I think I have B in here. Here's an M, and then I think this one's a B. I also saw L is okay. No, not a B. I did see B, K, L, M. Maybe they're putting out like the most used. I'm sure there's probably like a statistics of the most used initials, I guess you could say. So maybe that's what they're going off of, but they are really cute, you guys. These are gonna look really like perfect for a tier tray. So that's what I would use them for, and perfect colors. The only thing is they have not put this out in green, are these ornaments, but I think these are going to be best served as an Easter basket tag. They even give you the little string, so you string it through the holes there in the bunny ears, and you know, your child or whoever you're gifting to has the B. They have the B. I also found the M, so I'm very excited. I tried to find the initials for my niece and nephew, but I've not found them. Here's an A and a C. And then the felt bunny garland, which I might have even have already hauled this year. I don't remember. But this is really cute. Again, if you didn't want to DIY this and just kind of use it and go with it as is, I mean, the work is done for you. So super cute. I'm gonna string this up against my console table in the entryway so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. But yeah, and then of course if you want to, you could definitely deconstruct it, which would be really cute for DIYs. Like you could frame them, you know, maybe take a picture frame, put down some like buffalo check paper, and then put one of these bunnies in the center, and it's just gonna look so cute. I got these little bag of candies. I just thought the bunny was really cute. They're starting to put out all the candies, but I'll get more for you guys to see. I just picked up this one. I liked the packaging. And then I also picked up this candy, which put this on your shopping list because this guy is so freaking cute. I just wish there were more options because I would have gone to town. I would have gone to town and then back into town for more of these little guys. I immediately thought of a coffee bar. Like if you're styling a little spring coffee bar, hot chocolate bar station, like whatever, I think this little chocolate bunny lollipop would be so cute, and cute for a tier tray as well. Especially if you want to use this more for decoration rather than like eating it, because it's obviously edible, it's chocolate. And also great, you know, for care packages, the Easter baskets. But from a decorating standpoint, he would look so cute. And those places I mentioned. All right, then I also found some ribbons. Now, I saw some of the ribbon options on their website. I haven't seen those yet, but let me show you what I did find. And they have more to choose from as well. I just picked my 4 favorites, and they are so good. They're getting better at the ribbon game. Let me tell you, they really are, because sometimes, more often than not, it's a miss for me personally, but the ribbon game is getting strong at Dollar Tree. So I found those. And then for the first time ever, they put out these LED lights with the bunnies and the Easter eggs. What? These are so cute for gift baskets. Like, this is where I would put them. You could obviously use them to decor, you know, if you have a lot of greenery and running garland, kind of like I do, you could nestle it in places like that. And also for a tier tray. These are perfect for that. Then I picked up these little baskets. They're not part of the Easter section, just FYI. They're just like in the, you know, organization aisle at Dollar Tree. But they are giving me Easter vibes for sure. And I thought, an older crowd, like my daughter, 21. This is probably the type of basket I would do this year. I don't know if she'll be home. So I don't know, honestly, if I'm gonna get a chance to do a basket. It could end up being a care package. So there's that. Then I found this sweet little, The Tale of Peter Rabbit coloring book, which is so cute. And my Dollar Trees put this in the aisle with all the Easter stuff, which I appreciate so much. So I think they're also getting better at staging as well. So that's really nice. But still, my advice is hunt through the entire store. I have found things, you know, out of place. Like, that's just sometimes how that store is. So this is a great little coloring book. And then these are the 2 little books that I referenced at the beginning of this video. I found them in the teaching tree section. I don't know where you'll find them personally, but that's where I found them. And they are so cute. This one says, Dear Class. You can see the carrots and the bunny, which is very interesting. And it just has like the little stamp detail. And it's like, the whole thing is filled with little notes that the teacher sends to her class, which I thought was so cute. Like, Dear Michael. So I guess that's like one of the students. What the? Dear Nicholas. Like, that is really cute. I always find it incredibly amazing when people write like children's books. Like, it probably seems easy, but maybe it's not. Dear Michael again. Dear Nicholas again. I don't know. Something's going on. I don't really know. I haven't gone through it, but the illustration is lovely. And then I found this one. Dear Miss. So is this the student's response back to the teacher? I just thought that was... And also, the fact that you flip up instead of out like a traditional book. I really like that little effect too. But really, it kind of came down to the illustration. I just thought it was really nice for the price. Like, what? How is this $1.25? That's just insane. But anyways, such a gem find right here. I don't know if you could tell, but I did. I know I'm gonna have to end up editing just because I started and stopped the camera a couple times. But anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys got any ideas for yourselves, and just trying to show you guys, you know, how to use some of the decor without really having to do any additional DIYs to them, how pretty they just look as is, I guess. So that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.